the TV stopped working after lighting strike. Anyway, stay with me to know how to repair the TV in this situation. I have connected the power to the TV, but the power indicator light is not flashing here. First, you have to check whether the output voltage of the SMPS circuit are okay or not. The main 12 volts are okay for all system operating. 36 volt is okay for the backlight driver circuit. 36 volt okay in the drain of the MOSFET. This MOSFET is the switching device of the backlight driver. The supply voltage of the T-con board in the LVD socket will be 12 volts. But here is only 1.7 volts. This is the pulse generator IC for the backlight. This IC is getting very hot. Moreover, here the multiple regulator IC is burnt. And here the EEPROM IC has exploded due to lightning. Look here, the diode is burned out and RF tuner's IC also burned out. Dear friends, so many components have been lost due to lightning strike. So now we can change the board to see if the display panel is okay or not. This board has installed firmware of 1366 by 768 resolution. Now I am installing the board on the TV. Let's see what happens. Okay, I connected the TV to the electricity. The power indicator is on. Now I pressing the power button. I hope the backlights can be seen through this hole. Okay, the backlights are working properly. Now we will see the picture on the screen. The backlights are okay, but there is no picture. Don't worry, I think there are faults in the T-con board. This is the test point of 12 volts power supply. Okay, 12 volts. Then this is the test point of VGL. It will be around -7 volts. But -7 volt is not present here. Now follow here. This is the test point of VGS, mean voltage of the high gate. There will be about 30 volts. But there are only 4.79 volts. Dear technicians, the voltages of VGL, VGS are usually generated from this DC to DC converter circuit. I think this switching pulse generator IC is not working. As a result, the output voltages are not being generated from the DC to DC converter. So we need to change this IC. Dear friends, if you do not have this IC in your collection, you can collect the same number of ICs from the discarded T-con board. Okay, now let's install the T-con board and see what happens. VGL minus 7.8 volt. Very nice. VGA is 30 volt. Okay. The problem of DC to DC converter was solved. Now we can see what happened on the screen with the connection of the satellite cable. Very nice. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel to get more videos and like, comment, share please. Thank you so much.